Two topics to cover with your on-demand storm tracker forecast. Butte and southwest Montana here on your Tuesday afternoon. One is flooding concerns that have been ongoing for the last couple of weeks, likely to continue through the rest of this week. But secondly, it will be some building stronger thunderstorms tomorrow. So let's start with the flooding forecast update at 1 p.m. River levels slightly above minor flood stage for the Big Hole at Melrose to Jefferson at Three Forks, just a hair below, just by an inch at the Gallatin at Logan, but up in the moderate flood stage range for the Missouri at Toston this afternoon. So a lot of flood warnings are up, and again, these will stay up all week. The Big Hole River, the entire stretch. For a smaller part of the Jefferson River, a very tiny part near Logan on the Gallatin River, and same here towards Toston, the Missouri River under a flood warning right now. And then the Yellowstone River, as it moves through Livingston, also under a flood warning. So you can see a viewer sent this picture up on the Gallatin River, and we kind of gauge how high the water is on the Gallatin by looking at what's called House Rock, and you can see it's almost completely buried underwater. That's a huge rock. Big area low pressure moving through southeastern Montana, and then the next upstream storm moves in about 24 hours. So we're kind of between storms at this point. So Thunderstorm Outlook, we have a slight risk for damaging storms tomorrow afternoon. Butte, we're right on the outer edge of it, but these areas in yellow, roughly southwest Montana, east of the divide, this is where we have the potential for damaging hail, damaging winds, frequent lightning, and potential for some very heavy rainfall. But this afternoon, there might be an isolated rumble, but it should be very hit and miss, mainly over the mountains. Got a quiet start to your Wednesday, but Wednesday afternoon, starting around 2, 3 o'clock, here you go with some stronger building thunderstorms trickling through in a southwesterly flow for Butte and much of southwestern Montana. And again, there is the chance for 1 inch or greater diameter hail and wind gusts, possibly over 58 miles per hour, both of which can bring and produce property damage. Storms should subside after midnight tomorrow, but we're likely to pick up a few more stray storms as we head into Thursday. So Butte, the rest of this afternoon is looking good, warm and dry, partly cloudy, perfect early evening. So get out and enjoy the mild and dry weather while we have it for another 6 to 12 hours.